You've seen it. Price rips through 5 levels in 2 candles. No hesitation. You chase it because it looks unstoppable. And it reverses almost as fast as it moved. Here's what you actually watched. Speed feels like strength because that's how it reads to most human instincts. But fast and strong are not the same things, and confusing them is one of the most expensive habits a trader can carry. What normally slows price down is resting a position. Real buyers and sellers willing to act at that price, creating friction. A liquidity vacuum is a sketch of price with almost none of that. No resting orders, no two-sided interest, so price does not need to force to travel through it. It only needs the absence of resistance. That's not conviction. That's a halfway with no furniture in it. And the momentum price reaches a level where real opposition finally exists again, the unstoppable move stops instantly. A fast straight line candle through a clean, untouched sketch of price, fully retracing within minutes. Once it reaches the next zone with real period activity, nothing slowed this candle down because there was nothing there to slow it down. The moment real structure appeared again, the move ended exactly here. Before chasing the next explosive candle, check what it actually traveled through. Rear period activity that got overpowered or empty. Untouched price with nothing in it at all. Only one of those deserves to be chased. This is one piece of a much larger framework. Every episode on this channel builds on the one before it. So if this explained something, the next one explains what comes after it.